Good, sir. How you doing? So going through the result you sent, the result is very, very outdated. Like this first one you sent is 2018. That is over 7 years ago. We can't. In fact, if the test was done early this year, we can't use it. Talkers of 7 years ago because several, changes would have occurred. Different improvements, or we don't pray for the negative, but it happens. It's part of life. So things goes the good way and the bad way sometimes, even though we all pray for the good times. So, but 7 years ago is just too, it's too much. So, but the result is the volume is 1 mil. That is low. The sperm count per male is 41 million. That is impressive. But out of those 41 million, none of them are active. 10% are sluggish, and the 90% are dead. So this is very severe. Then the morphology is good. 40% normal morphology is impressive. You have E. coli. Then that was then. So then okay. The subsequent result you sent, the other one 1.5 mils, fertility none. Or this is azoospermia. When did you do this? Okay, this one is not indicated. The date is not indicated. So the third one is saying 0.1 mil. This is extremely very, very low. 0.1 mil. So have you done scrotal scan, hormone assay test? If you've not done them, then it is very, very essential. Like it is very, very important, even more than the treatment. It is more important than the treatment because without the scrotal scan, we can't know what is going on. Like, why is your sperm cell, extremely poor like this? Why is your testes unable to produce sperm cells? Why is none of the sperm cells alive? So it is the scrotal scan that will tell us that okay, this is where the problem is coming from. So then we know how best to address it. But without those scrotal scan and hormone assay tests, then I personally I can't go ahead with the treatment. And anyone treating you without those two tests, the person is just collecting money from you. The person is just collecting money because the person did not understand why you are having azoospermia. The person is just playing guess game with and playing on your desperation to have a child. So if you want to want us to address this, then go for scrotal scan, go for hormone assay test, then let's go from there.